SNS ke sana apho sithetha iindaba zabantu singabuzwanga olapha nje uthandaza nayo nakuqala. Oh Nkosi yam, Dr. Zipho. Guys, into esizithethayo nesizenzayo ebantwini, and when we just say things singayazi ukuthi what are their challenges, what are these people facing on their everyday life. We just need to be kind to one another. Coming to think of, people have been bashing abantu abangabi nabantwana, and coming across this video where a woman is sobbing in tears because of what she went through. I mean, like, this lady just recently got married a few years ago to Dumi Mkokstad, for a family to already, and the other people putting pressure on her, knowing exactly that she had a minor issue with infertility. Guys, I don't know what you guys think, but and I just want to say happy birthday, belated birthday to boys. Happy birthday, baby boy. Happy birthday, boy. Mama cannot attack. Your parents love you. I hope one day you'll come across this video and you'll just hug your mother. Asana. We only know things xa zifeyise thina directly. When izinto zingafeyisanga thina okanye umntana am loo nto umzalayo, we just nje siba zii-animal. But ke sana egqibeleni uThixo unguThixo ongawalibaliyo amadinga, and he was just there right on time, delivering izibusiso. Nazo ke izibusiso zingxola zidlula apha emnyango. Hayi kule complex, guys. So guys, what do you think? What do you guys think about this? Just go to her channel to go to her page on what do you call it, TikTok account. Go to her TikTok and just show her love, guys. Belated birthday, it was yesterday, plus saying August ke sana iyaba ibirthday kaBoy unyaka wonke. I mean to say inyanga yonke iyaba ibirthday kaBoy inyanga yonke. August sekuthi kwezinzuku ezingapha ke-10 ba aphele. Happy birthday, Zipho. Happy becoming a mom day, sana, on that 21, 22nd. Happy everything. Happy tears of joy, sana lam. You deserve it, sana. You deserve every good thing coming your way. Okay, guys, that's me in the comment section, and just listen or watch her tip clip, and then don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, guys. It's free of charge. I love you so much, and do not forget to be kind to one another. We are going through the most, like, not even individually now, as a whole country, we are going through the most. I
couldn't believe it. I was like, Inkosi Kumbulile again. Okay, quick backstory. I struggled to fall pregnant. I had infertility issues. And I remember when I was trying to roll in, and we tried quite a couple of times, and, just getting a lot of, I guess, questions from, family, in-laws, social media. There was so much pressure. And it was even more pressure because Udumu Naingani. So everything was pointing towards me. Yeah, Infinity 1 2 1 2 I know that's like that's yeah, some of us, yeah, it's a long process. So I went for surgery in the works, and I was so grateful to God because we really prayed for the breakthrough, and and my firstborn was born. So when I found out I was pregnant with my second child, I think I broke down because I was like, Lord, you remembered me again. I'm so grateful to God. My son is 2 today, and I was content. I was content with Nani. I was content with Nani, and I was happy. I've always wanted lots of children, but I was like, Lord, clearly that's just not my portion. And when I found out I was pregnant with Yami, I thought, Lord, like what I did to deserve such grace to be able to have another child. So I named him Unayami Kwasing because I want my children to always remember to always lean on God. His name was Uneyami, so please do help me wish my incredible son a happy birthday. He is the light of our lives. He is beautiful. He is so smart. He is so bubbly. He loves to laugh, and he completes our life. So please help me wish my son a happy birthday.